I love being here. I have my best year in my career here.
He's still going, and Salah for Liverpool!
Enjoying my life here, enjoying my football. My family also feels home.
The Egyptian king!
We enjoy every moment in the city and every moment in the club.
Salah still, Mohamed Salah! Mohamed Salah! Oh! That is beyond special!
It's a special moment always when we play in Anfield. There is no place like that. The warmth you feel inside, the song before the game, everything about it. Every moment you score a goal and they sing my song just like something special. والقصة لسه مستمرة.